What's going on here today, guys? It's Cornelius with She Finance, back with another update. Today I'm gonna take a look at Robinhood, ticker symbol Hood. We're gonna go in here and take a look at it. Robinhood been doing some good things. They've been listing a lot of crypto, so it's not bad to take a look in the app, invest into the app overall. They also got the ETFs on there. A lot of stuff going on Robinhood. So we're gonna take a look at the ticker symbol. But as you can see here, the Dow Jones is down. You know, the overall markets as a whole. NASDAQ is up 44%. The S&P 500 is down. So, yeah, so we're going to take a look at the ticker symbol Hood. Kind of do a little analysis of it real quick. All right, so as you can see here, Hood is actually at $18.44 right now. So, I mean, if you look back here, back in November, when everything was red and tanking, Hood was about $8.34. So if you even got in right there at the $8.34 and rolled it up to the $18.44, you're doing pretty good on Hood. You know what I'm saying? If you look here, here's the fundamentals. You look at the market cap, it's at $16 billion. So it still got room to grow. If you go and look at, let's see here. If you look at the, let's see, the volume right now is at 7 million. The 52-week high is down 5%. Then 52-week low is up 133%. So yeah, I mean, if you look, everything looks like it's pretty green. You got actually, let's see here. Let's see. We scroll down. The gross margin is up 90%. Let's see here. Let's see what they got. So if you look at March 14th, 24, they initiated. They got an outperform on the price target is $30. So they just issued that March 14th. So that means it has a potential to get up to about $30. You know, somewhere between March and next month probably. But you can actually look at the history here. This is actually finviz.com what I'm looking at. This is, you know, like this what pretty much all the traders use to look at it, like all the technicals and what's going on, you know, what they saying about it or whatever, who's buying, who's selling. So you can come here and look at the Finviz. It's a good tool to use. This is what I use for all my stocks. This is what I use to basically get a clear vision on what I want to invest in. So, yeah. So as you can look right here, it shows last year it was a downgrade by Citigroup for $11 to $10. But, you know, even if you, like I said, even previously, if you got in right here, November, $8.31, you rolled it up, you made your money back. Robinhood is doing a lot of things. They're actually listing a lot of cryptos as well. So, I'm pretty sure it'll be great to invest in the right. Look into that ticker symbol Hood. Take a look at it. Do some research on it, you know, look into it before you just buy things, you know, don't just jump in, you know, just because everybody else doing it. Just check it out, take a look at it. But yeah, I've been invested in the Robinhood for a while now. You know, it really is the first app that I use to, you know, do my stocks, you know, and then I started buying crypto on there before I got involved with crypto.com, whatever. But yeah. So as today, we looking at 1:26 at 1:26 a.m. Let's see what kind of updates they got on here. Let's see, because I think the CEO, maybe the CEO stepped down or whatever. So let's see. Yeah, the co-founder stepped down as the creative chief right here. So that's probably why it's down today. But so yeah, I mean. Let's see. So I guess they want you to pay for the read with that one. So, but anyways, yeah, I mean, Hood is gonna be pretty good. It got a lot of growth. It's pretty much getting all the ETF, the Bitcoin ETFs, and they also have SHIB on there, and they looking to list a lot of new cryptos. So investing into the app as a whole, and you can almost get any stock you want on there. You know what I mean? You can buy as many shares, you can buy fractional shares. So, I mean, yeah, it's something to look into. I would like to invest into that, But if you got in early, you already know you are pretty good right now. So you just chilling and waiting on the run. So, and this right here is like the little chat that they have on finviz.com. It'll tell you anything about Hood. You can type in the ticker symbol on there. It'll pretty much populate what everybody talking about. So, as you can see, this guy right here, he's like, this isn't done, probably more higher before some dip. So, I mean, I guess everybody think it's going to, so this guy right here actually said it's going to be bullish next week. But, hey, I'm in it for the long one because I see the potential in it. But, yeah, so let's see here. And they got a target price on it for $16.14. So right now it's at $18. So I guess it might come down a little bit, going into next week, maybe to 16, but it's at 18, so it's already broke that. So I'm pretty sure you might have a little pullback. I think all the markets are red, like I said before. So after everything goes back green, I mean, you can easily, see the top of it at about $100. I mean, before, let me see. Let's go look at the charts here. So if you look on here, we're going to do the all. Let's see. Let's stretch it out a little bit here. So you can see right here, it came in at about $84.12. This was back in 2021. So it came in right here at $84. So that's the all-time high. So look, it's dipped all the way down here. You got all this room. It's got all this room right here that you can look and see how it came in, it fell. And it's barely climbing out of the line right there. So you got a lot of room to run right here. There's no doubt Robinhood is going to run. There's no doubt it's going to hit the all-time high. So, I mean, you could be looking at, let's say, the all-time high is $84.93. That's when they IPO'd, which is, let's see when they IPO'd. This was in August 4th, 2021. I remember getting in on that. That was a pretty good run. And then so as you can see right now, it's trying to recover. It's trying to get up out of that hole right there. But anytime you see this right here, it's pretty much danger. But as you can see, it's coming out. It's grinding its way back to the top. So even if you get in, just say if you got in at $11, you're doing your thing right now, for real. You doing your thing, no doubt. You doing your thing. So if you want to get in now, you can take a shot, get in at $18. You know what I mean? And ride it all the way up to maybe 100, like I previously said. Ride it up to 100. I think it might go through 100. But hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a financial advisor, But that's just how I feel, I'm in it for the long run. So hey, that's what I think gonna happen. Again, so you don't really want to miss out on that. So let's see what the news say over here. So yeah, it's pretty much said that the chief creative officer stepping down. And then you can see right here, this article, this was today as well. You can see that the director, chief creative officer on March 19th. So he sold some shares. So look, this dude right here sold some shares before he stepped down. You see what I'm saying? So they had let's see. He had control over 36,000 shares. Just think about the bag this dude had. He had a crazy bag. But yeah, that's just a quick little update on ticker symbol Hood, Robinhood. And I'm out of here just like yesterday.